In this video, I'm going to teach you how to look at shapes and try to figure out how they would look based on a side view or a top view. It doesn't really matter. So this might look very difficult, but it actually isn't. So just stick around and I'll show you the tricks on how to do this. So if we have a problem like this that says, if you look at this object from the side where the stick man is standing, what would you see? Choose from the list below. So here we have our object that we're looking at, and this stick figure is looking at it straight on from this side, okay? So the first thing is try and picture what the stick figure is looking at. So it's looking at this here, okay? So you would see the black outline. So he's looking at these ones here and this here. That's all he can see when he's looking at it straight on, okay? And assuming he's tall enough to see it all. Okay, so you would see the surface that is colored in pink, right? So all these ones. And if you can imagine it, if you look at the levels, what levels is he seeing? He's seeing the entirety of this level, the entirety of this level, the second level, the entirety of the third level, and the entirety of the fourth level. So we know that he's seeing this, right? Not this. So now let's consider something else. So what if the stick figure is now facing the other side, the purple stick figure, okay? So this one. What is he looking at on this side? Well, let's trace it out. So he's looking at just the surface, right? Here, the face. So let's try to figure out how many levels are visible to him. So there's this, all three, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then just this one by itself. There's nothing on this level that he could see except for that one. So what he would see would be the shaded purple, like that, okay? So if we look at it flat, it would look like this. The purple shading would look like this. So like we said, there's 3 levels that he could see in its entirety, and then just one by itself on top, on the side. Okay, and that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar, so you could check those out as well. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.